Thank you for calling the Gang of Them. Unfortunately, Jamie is either outside dancing or drinking and is unable to answer this call at this time. Please leave a message and he will get back to you at his earliest convenience. Thank you and continue to enjoy the Gang of Them TV.
James, it took me damn near a half an hour to dial you on this rotary phone, and you don't even pick up. When you get this message, call me. All right. Oh yeah, this is Xavier.